Uh-oh, we got a problem in our hands because today we're gonna be reviewing the Nike Air Jordan 1 High University Blue right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so let's get straight down to business. You guys know what we do here on this channel. We do our very best to get as many early pairs that you can get so that we can focus on the most hype sneakers in 2021. We got a banger because we are going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 University Blue, and they're even calling it the UNC because damn, let's do a quick 360. Whoo! Yo, this colorway is unreal. I really love what Nike did with this pair. Specifically, we got that QC going well, especially with Jordans this time, and I'm very happy to report that back. But we'll go ahead and start off with this right here. So, as we know, these were supposed to release in beginning of February, but now it has been pushed back. Official release date is going to be March 6th, 2021. And we already know the deal. This pair has that MSRP, so this is a US pair. We'll go and review that. Retail on this one is gonna be $170, just like any normal Air Jordan 1. I'm really interested to see exactly what Nike is going to do with pricing as so many more Jordans are coming out, but damn. Let's get straight into it. Let's move into that view that we like so much. All right, so this official shoe, the colorway is noted as white black University Blue. And I think the first thing that when I saw this pair, I really love how this blue down here contrasted with the top portion of the shoe. I love how that played out. You know, this sole really reminds me of that UNC, so definitely love what Nike did there as well. Now let's talk a little bit of quality. So I've noticed that this quality on the leather is very similar to what the mochas were. So they weren't as soft as you can say, but I feel like once you break this part in, definitely will be a good shoe to wear. Jordan 1s kind of don't normally fit my feet as well as I want them to, but once you break them in, definitely you can tell. So we got that toe box leather here. It's pretty tumbled, to be honest. Oh man, I think this is actually better than the quality on some of my mochas that I have. Just wanted to show that off, kind of just like a close-up look on the leather on the mid portion of the shoe. And then let's go into the tongue. Now on the tongue, you can tell that what they did here, they have this embroidery here, and they have that UNC colorway, that University Blue, that Nike Air that really pops to you. Just those little simple details. You have that great color blocking, just minimal. A little bit different to the mochas, where mochas were black here. This is like the whole solid color. I actually really like what they did with this pair specifically. This blue just hits. I think this year, as we talked about, I think blue is gonna be the year where we just see a lot of Air Jordan 1s releasing. We got so many other ones coming out, and I hope I can show you more, but damn, great, great, great. This pair specifically does come with extra laces, and they come with a blue lace here. I don't know if I would rock it with blue. I think it would match too much with the bottom sole here, but I probably would go with the black or maybe try to make some cream laces. That would be dope. So yeah, definitely wanted to show that off. I hope everyone is able to get their hands on these because these are going to be a problem. Now that we're done with the close-up, what I really love about doing this segment is just being able to realize and understand where I think resale markets are going to be at, because right now, if you were to look today, markets are very, very high, and that's only because there are a lot of early pairs that are out there right now. We have sizes 8 to 10 ranging from about $550 to $600. Of course, I don't expect these pairs to go that high. We haven't really got a count yet on how many pairs are going to be out there on the market, but I definitely think that these will settle in at around probably the 350 to 450 range, especially what we saw with the mochas. I mean, mochas were sitting at 350, like then they skyrocket to like 460. Definitely think that the mochas are a little bit more relaxed. A lot of people like rocking that better versus this one's a little bit more loud. Make sure that you do try your best to get a pair of these for retail, or get multiples if you can. Definitely hit up your boy if you can get them for retail. Definitely, I think these are going to be a problem. I think that the markets will settle at a very good range for people to make money, also for people that want to rock as well. So definitely gonna be bangers, great to have in collection, and definitely something to make money off of. So I just thought of something. So let's compare this to something. They say it's like a University Blue. I also think these are like a University Blue, right? So definitely think that they stack up pretty well. Like I said, this one's a lot more louder. This one kind of looks more on the relaxed side too, right? So I wanted to just definitely show this off and just kind of show you guys kind of what comparisons that we are gonna be having in terms of sneakers. So which one would I rock? Just because I'm that kind of guy that's like more laid back, I probably would go with these on a day that I feel it. So, but still, solid shoes, right? You know what I'm saying? Now you tell me, are you you going for these? Is this a cop or a drop? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Definitely think that this is gonna be a cop for me when I get my personal size. I love this shoe and I want to hear about your thoughts. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for going with this journey. Thank you for subbing. Cannot wait to do this again and see y'all later. And always remember, y'all, stay stocked with Out of Stock Kicks. Peace!